Welcome to Trirashmi Caves, locally known as Pandavleni, the timeless hill caves of Nasik, where history whispers from every crevice. This ancient cave complex boasts 24 main caves, each holding significant historical and archaeological importance. These caves feature numerous Satvahana inscriptions mentioning prominent figures such as Krishnaraj, Hakushri, Gautami Balashri, Gautami Putra Satkarni, Vashishti, Putra Pulumavi, and Nahapan from Sharata Kshatrap lineage, along with Ushav Datta and Veer Sen. The inscriptions present here provide valuable insights into the chronology of Satvahana dynasty, which notably differs from the timeline mentioned in Puranas. Cave number 18, the main Chaitya features an impressive two-story entrance with architectural reminiscent of Bhaja, Karla, and Manbodi caves of Junnar. The stupa is surrounded by 14 octagonal shaft pillars on the upsidal ground plan. This cave bears inscription by Hakushri's daughter Bhattapalika. As you move further, cave number 3, known as Queen's Cave, bears an inscription of Gautami Balashri and serves as Vihara, Chaitya and Mandap. It has 18 cells around a large hall with a low relief stupa and kakshasan along 3 walls. A similar kind of architecture can be seen in one more cave, which is cave number 10, known as Nahapana's cave. It features 16 cells and inscriptions of Nahapan, Ushav Datta, his wife, and Abhira King Ishwar Sena. The special features of this cave is that earlier it was excavated by Theravadas, but later converted into Mahayanist by carving its already existing stupa into an idol. Cave number 20 also has cells and colossal Buddha image at the back wall with 4 pillars fronted veranda. Buddha images in these cave complex are majorly portrayed in Dhammachakra Pravartan Mudra, with seating, standing and reclining postures, with Padmapani and Vajrapani on either sides, along with flanking Gandharvas. An image of Hariti is also present in the cave number 9. Cave number 23 and cave number 24 looks like a natural cave run, as the partitions are broken but the mural survives, representing Buddha idol in different postures. Other caves prominently displays impressive Buddha images, making this site a significant cultural and spiritual landmark, filled with history, art and architecture, provide valuable insights into India's rich Buddhist heritage.